So I got this call to clean up this pool, and I want to show you what we're dealing with here. As you can see, there's oak trees all the way around, and a little bit of leaves on the top. The main thing down here is that there is a lot of acorns and algae. You can see the algae on the sides here. So I'm going to clean all this up. I'm going to use the trusty hammerhead vacuum to do the job. And once I get it cleaned up, I'm going to come back here and show you a follow-up. It's probably going to be a little on the cloudy side because I'm going to be stirring up the algae while vacuuming, but should look good. I wanted to film some shots of this hammerhead vacuum actually vacuuming live algae. There's a lot of people that say that the bags get clogged up and they don't work anymore. Well, this is a lot of live algae and acorns, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see really clearly, the live algae is passing directly through the bag, and now the bag's kind of hanging over to the side because it's filled up with acorns. But as you can see, it's working perfectly. And this is a coarse bag. They have a finer bag that may get clogged up really easily with live algae, but this bag right here is the coarse bag. It's got a little bit bigger holes, and it's about ready to be dumped due to the weight of the acorns. But other than that, you can see the algae passing directly through it. So these cleaners are very good at what they do. The hammerhead pool vacuum. And like I said, I'm in the middle of cleaning this one up, and I'll come back with a video as soon as I'm done cleaning it. And I'm trying to do it one-handed also, so it's kind of a little bit more tough. And with this cleaner, I wanted to note this cleaner that I'm using, I bought in 2012. The only thing that I've replaced is the bags and the motor one time. There was actually a plate that I installed, just a fiberglass front plate. I forgot what it's called. But this battery that I'm using is years old. I don't remember how many years. And it actually, the voltage, whenever I go to charge it, always reads it's 11.3 or 4, which means the battery's bad, and it still works good. So when I do upgrade, or not upgrade, but when I get a new one, get a replacement battery, the vacuum and power is going to be, you know, a few times more than what it is now. And it's hard to tell exactly how much thrust you're getting, but it's a good amount. So all right, well, I'm gonna stop this video so I can finish up here, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. How much this got here. Now that right there would probably fill up it's hard to tell, but probably a 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so I just got a treatment in the pool, and as you can see, it's clouded up a good amount from vacuuming all that live and dead algae. So I'm putting in a treatment over there in the skimmer, and that's the Refresh calcium hypochlorite. And I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to be back here Tuesday in a couple of days to check it out. So appreciate you watching this video. If this video helped you in any way and you would like to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Also, please like and comment on this video and help other people find it. Thank you.